Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this 12-inch elbow in SolidWorks. I hope you will like our tutorial. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we create this elbow in SolidWorks by the help of pipe routing. So we have to just create to this elbow. So we have to just do it first. Then after we will apply the welding. So here we can see the section view. Okay, so this is the section view of this elbow design, and this is very helpful for beginner student who want to learn SolidWorks. So look how we do this in SolidWorks routing, pipe routing. Okay, so we have just start to drawing this sketch and elbow. So go to the file, select new. Here we select assembly. Okay, now here we change the background to plain white. Okay, now we go to the SolidWorks add-in, select SolidWorks routing. Here go to the piping, select start by drag and drop. Now here go to the flange, we select slip on weld flange. The sizes we will keep 300 rating, and the sizes we will keep 12 inch and PS 12. Now you can save our this file to your desktop where you want to save. Okay, so here go to the base configuration. Here we select pipe 12 inch schedule 40. Okay, and the elbow we will take 90-degree LR. Here pipe routing started, so go to the line, select this point and go below side. If you not find the same direction, we press the shift tab key, so we will get the exact direction you want to, where we will move your pipe line, pipe direction. So again go to the flange, select slip of vent flange. Sizes we will keep 300 rating and 12 inch. Okay, so here it's time to apply the dimension. So we first select the end face of this flange and this point. Here we will keep the length 100 mm. Same opposite direction we can do it same. So select this end face flange, select this point. Here we will keep 100 mm also. Okay, so look how we create this elbow 3D model. Now here we will exit. So again we go to the material, apply the matte zinc and apply to this pipe. So look how we create this 6-inch elbow like this one. If you want to apply the welding, so go to the weld width. Here we select weld path. Now here we select the fillet weld 15 mm radius. Sorry. Now here we select welding path, so we select this edge. Okay, here if you want to see the weld width, so go to the weld folder, select right click and show cosmetic weld. So look the welding. So again we apply the welding back side, so go to the weld width. Now here we select weld path. The sizes we will keep 20. Select this edge, this one also. Okay, so again go to the weld width. We forget just previous time to apply the another one. So look how we just create. Okay, so look the view of this elbow, a 12-inch elbow, and we apply the flange 12-inch rating. We will keep 300. So guys, I hope you will like. Thanks for watching.